Oh, okay, so really quick, I just took a shower. Obviously, no makeup, whatever. But my friend Sandra ordered these from Ulta. I think she said they were like $10. I don't really know. I don't know how much they were, but I'm going to be trying these. As you can see, I like my eyelashes and my eyebrows are really light, and obviously, like, we have no nails, we have no hair extensions. It's a hot mess over here in the Bates household, but I am going to be trying these Kiss Falscara lashes, the new way to lash, which I guess they're like lash extensions you can do at home. Anyways, okay, this towel's really heavy. Oh my god. So, and like, anyways, I'm pretty sure I'm a brunette now. When I started getting just like blonde highlights, I had like strawberry, like a darker, like dirty blonde, strawberry blonde hair, but now I'm pretty sure I'm like a full-on brunette, whatever. Okay, so I watched a YouTube video on these, but honestly, this is just gonna be real raw. I'm not really gonna edit this video. I mean, it doesn't really get any worse than this, so yeah, I'm gonna put some makeup on and stuff too, but I wanted to put these on first. So, okay, it said that you want to go, okay, so this is everything it comes with. It comes with like the little applicator, the bond, which has biotin in it, and then the seal, and then obviously the extensions. And these go like under your eye. Y'all, I've never done these before. I'm scared. So if I lose an eye, like, I hope this video gets a lot of views and you subscribe to my channel. So anyways, I'm really not sure on the price. It was a gift from my makeup artist who has become one of my very best friends. Her name is Sandra. So whatever, let's just try it. So it said in the video that you want to go from your outer corner to the inside. And let me just give y'all a close-up of, wow, okay, I have bags. Lord help. Anyways, this is how my eyes look. And I really need my eyebrows done, I really need my hair done, I really need my nails done. I really just, okay. So it says first, I'm gonna bring another mirror closer to apply. I'm gonna try to let y'all see as much as I can, but you know, I don't want to lose an eye. The chances of that happening are really great. But I want to make sure that y'all can see as much as you can see, but I also am not trying to like get a bunch of weird stuff in my eye. I already like blink really heavy, which I'm sure y'all have seen in my videos. So first, we're going to do the bond. They said a little goes a long way. Well, I'm an extra kind of girl. I really want to make sure these stick on. I do a lot of cardio now because I'm stuck in this house. So anyway, so I'm going to just apply the bond here. Oh, perfect. Y'all can see. Okay. Turns out I do have eyelashes. So I've had eyelash extensions like once before, but I didn't really keep up with them. And I usually just like wear strip lashes if I have like a certain look I'm going for, or if I have like a client meeting or something. This will be really helpful if it works, and real cost effective. Also, like when you're getting eyelash extensions, they take forever, and I'm not trying to do that. Like hours. They could take hours. Like, no offense if you get those, but hours, girl, I don't have hours to not be doing what I'm supposed to be doing. I don't know. Maybe I do have hours. Right now I have hours, but people can't do things. Anyways, okay, so we want to go from the outside of the eyeball to the inside. So, oh, look how cute. It like comes out. Okay, these are about to be on my eye. Wow, maybe I shouldn't have put the bond on both my eyes. Okay, so I'm scared. Okay, you put it under. I don't understand. Like, I really just don't. I think I did this backwards. Oh God, I need help. Okay. Ah, okay, wow, there, it's sticking, hold on. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Okay, now I'm excited. Okay, I'm really excited. Okay, wow, it's like really sticky, and look at the corner. Okay, go off, Kiss lashes. Okay. Ah. And they did mention, like, you want to obviously, like, line them up as best you can so they look natural, but this is my first time, so, wow, this Bond stuff is, like, go off. It's, like, really, really sticky. Ah, see how it's, like, getting stuck to me? What in the world? Sorry, I'm just like pushing it up and like making sure it meets, but y'all, wow, I'm feeling like a whole new woman. I'm gonna go from a solid 2 to a 5 in this video. Yes, at home eyelash extensions. Okay, wait, that one's a little too far out. Ah, okay, that one's a little too far out. There we go. I'm just literally, like I would do with my, whoa, did y'all see that? Like I would do with my strip lashes, I'm literally just like going to attach them. Like push them. They did say in the video you can do it with these, but whatever. Okay. Ow. Okay, I could have done that one better. But y'all, look at the difference. Okay, so it says after you do that, I didn't put the one on the very inner corner, which I know a lot of people would, but I have this like weird thing where my eyes water. So let me just show y'all. Okay, wait. I do want to show y'all, but it says that after this you have to put the seal on. And this is what it comes in. Remember when the mascara used to be like white on one side and then it had like the black, and then you would like, it was, anyways, that's exactly what it looks like. Okay, so first impressions, y'all, these look really good. That was really fast. I've only been doing this video for 7 minutes and half of it was me getting my life together. So, okay. And then now you just do the seal, which they said if there's, it just like helps it stay. And then if there's anything that's like sticky or anything like that. So, yeah. I don't know, y'all. I'm so impressed. Wow, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and just put a little more Bond on this side. I should have waited. Whoa. It's like really sticky. Anyways, I should have waited and done it because, well, I don't know if it like dries or whatever because I obviously am just a hot mess. But if you look closely, I have an eyelash. Literally, I have a hair in there. Okay, the Bond stuff is really sticky. Really, really sticky. So, anywho, let's do my other eye. Y'all, like, just look at the difference. Let me get it done. Wow, okay. Okay, I'm an idiot. My bottom eyelashes are sticking to my top eyelashes. Okay. Ah, no, help. Wait, the first one went so well. And this is not their fault. This is my fault. I'm a big dummy. Okay, it's like something's hard about doing the other side. Ah, there we go. Got it. Okay. Sorry, my bottom eyelash was like sticking. I mean, just look at the difference. Wow, okay. Hold on, this is so cool. Ah, I'm stuck again. Okay, wait, I'm just gonna use my hand. So what I'm trying to do is, after I put it on, I like have trust issues, and so I just want to like mash it, like clamp, make sure it's like in my like eyelash because it's underneath. But y'all, like so far, like they're not in the way, like nothing weird is happening. Such a good alternative to even eyelash extensions, because eyelash extensions are like one strip and sometimes they can look like not natural. And again, guys, I'm not doing like the one on the far inner corner because I have that weird thing where my eyes water. So okay, Last one. Just gonna mash all of these together and not use this thing because I'm obviously dangerous. And so yeah, I'm just gonna like push them together, make sure they're up. Wow, okay. Let me put the vitamin E sealing thing. How long are these supposed to last though, I wonder? Like, can I sleep in these? And they're not like on your lash line. They're literally, I mean, they're not like on your waterline. They're just, I don't know why I'm going back here. Wow. Okay. They're really good. Wow, okay. So anyways, I just put those on with the bare face. So I will say that they're awesome. I mean, they look really good. They were really easy to put on. This video is 11 minutes now, and I'm not really going to edit it because I'm a hot mess, but I'm going to put on some makeup really quick, and then I will show you the finished product. But y'all, overall, like, these look really good, and they were really quick. So again, it's the Kiss Falscara, I think is what it's called. I don't feel anything. Like, sometimes, like, the fake eyelash will, like, poke you in the eye. Like, I'm not having any of that, so this was really great. So I would definitely say give it a try. I will show you how it looks with my makeup. I just did some simple makeup, just some like foundation, put my eyebrows on, lip gloss, whatever. Here is the look. I did not have to put any mascara or anything like that on. And y'all, I'm loving them. They are so comfortable. I FaceTimed Sandra and I sent them to my friend Mary. They were both like, oh wow, they actually look so good. So overall, 10 out of 10. Super comfortable. They look super natural because sometimes with the strip, like, you know, you have the strip on the top and stuff like that. So honestly, really awesome buy for the money. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye, friends.